Dad.
And today we're making
Origami
origami
dog. So Camila, what are the materials we need to do the origami dog?
We need a piece of paper,
Okay, what else?
some popsicle sticks, markers, and glue. Or you could use hot glue. It can dry faster.
Okay, so we're gonna start doing the origami dogs. So Camila, what's the first thing we have to do?
We fold the piece of paper in half.
Okay, we're gonna fold a piece of paper.
In half, like this.
Like this, okay. And what else?
We fold it again.
I'm gonna fold it again. Okay, okay.
And then you have a piece. Then you have a piece of paper, but it's shaped into a square.
Just like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now,
We take one corner, and then we put it to the bottom.
so we got the upper corner, and we put it together with the bottom corner,
Yes.
just like that. Also, it looks like kind of like a triangle, right, Camila?
Yes.
Just like this.
And then you can fold it in half.
Fold it in half. Then we fold it in half again, like this. Let me see. Whoa.
And then you open it.
Then we open it.
And then you grab one corner to make a ear.
Okay. So we put the paper on the table and try to make an ear by folding one corner, right? Like this.
Like this.
Okay. Just like this. And then you do the other one, right, Camila?
Like this.
Just like this. So we already have the form of the dog.
Origami dog.
Yeah. So after we do that, what can we do?
We can draw the face and the mouth.
Okay. What color are you gonna use?
I'm gonna use black for the eyes.
Okay. I'm gonna use a brown then. So we draw the eyes.
And now we're gonna draw the mouth. But first you need to draw the nose.
Okay, so we're gonna draw the nose and the mouth. So the nose is something like this. Show it, Camila. Let me see yours. Whoa, that's awesome. And then the mouth.
You could add also a little tongue.
Like this. Can you show yours, Camila? And you said we can draw a tongue?
Yeah.
Here, you can use this one, Camila, the red one. So you can draw the tongue here.
Thank you.
I'm gonna borrow yours.
My doggy has a very long tongue.
Okay. Let me see you. Whoa, that's awesome. Let's show it to everybody. See? And then we'll finish doing the face of the dog, right? So what can we do now? we can make it like a puppet, right? We're gonna make it like
Yeah.
a puppet. So what do we need?
Popsicle stick and glue.
We need a popsicle stick and glue. So this time, so it can dry faster, we're gonna use what?
Hot glue.
We're gonna use hot glue. So we're gonna put a little bit of glue, hot glue, on the popsicle stick. Here, use this one, Camila. We're gonna do, and we're gonna glue it.
To the origami
We're gonna turn it around and glue it in the back, just like this. And we're gonna put it down and press. And that's it. And after a few seconds, what do we have?
Puppet.
Here you go. So after you do this, you can also make some more designs on your dog and color it different, like the one we already did. Camila, let's show them the ones we did already. Look at Camila. Camila did a Dalmatian.
And I did a cool dog
A
too.
cool dog. I did this one earlier, and I did this one. So it's very simple, right, Camila?
Yes.
And everybody can do it.
Hello, my name is Dalmatian. Hello, my name is Cool Dog.
Woof! I'm Clown Dog. Woof! Hello, I'm Firulais. And we are...
Origami Dogs. Thank you for watching. We hope you had fun. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram. Bye.
Bye!